What are you doing? Did you take all the bottles out? Are you stuck? Hunter, what are you trying to do?
I'll crash also.
What are you trying to do? Oh. Crash. Are you trying to hide? Honey, I don't think you can hide in there.
I will hide them. I will hide them. I will hide them.
Okay.
I will help.
Honey, you can't.
I will help, please. I will help.
Okay.
I will help. I will help.